Employee Talks.
Nimbus Assistant is a handy desktop app designed to provide context on incoming tasks, easy access to Nimbus activities, and other integration possibilities. In this first example, I receive a call as a Teams peer-to-peer call, and we screen pop a search in Salesforce based on the incoming caller. This is particularly useful for users that are receiving calls directly rather than through a Nimbus service, for example sales teams. Screen pops can also be configured on Nimbus service calls. In this scenario, a call comes into our Nimbus service from a contact recognized in our Salesforce CRM. The service call template has been configured to pop the contact record to the agent so they can view the relevant information about the caller. The templates are dynamic. For example, a blank record can be popped if an unknown contact calls. This will prompt the agent to capture the details in Salesforce. As with direct calls, we can also perform a web request to trigger an activity record in the CRM. Whilst on an active Nimbus call, users can select their reporting codes and view which services and agents have previously handled the call via the call flow. The Info tab displays relevant CRM parameters and links to the agent. Here we show the contact email, contact owner, contact URL, and phone number. We can also set our Nimbus profiles and view our presence at the top. When the call has ended, the after call work time is controlled here. Having all these actions in Nimbus Assistant means the user can live in the CRM rather than flipping back to Teams. Outbound calls can either be made manually or on behalf of the Nimbus service via click to call from a CRM. For manual calls, users can search custom address books or enter the number via the dial pad. Then they choose the outbound service via the drop-down and place the call. Each service will display a different outbound number and the call will be reported upon via Nimbus. And of course, the outbound activity can be logged in the CRM. Click to call can also be embedded in the CRM, which pre-populates the Nimbus Assistant and speeds up the process. Finally, I'll show you how not available reasons can be selected via the Nimbus Assistant. When a user becomes idle due to inactivity or by selecting a not available Teams user state like away or D&D, the user is prompted to select a reason for not being available. For example, here I change my state to D&D in Teams, so I cannot take a Nimbus call. I am then prompted to select a reason for this. These reasons can be reported upon in our Power BI template. Nimbus Assistant is included in our Contact Center license or can be purchased standalone or an add-on to our routing licenses. Please get in touch to find out more.